Come test drive the 2019 RS5. Don't think too hard. That's the key with the Audi RS5. Just get in and drive, and is priced below $90,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, front spoiler, traction control, stability control, sports suspension, front suspension type, multi-link, front suspension type, strut, regenerative braking system. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.